By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to abuse 2 TikTok affiliate marketing strategies and make at least $1,000 per month even as a beginner. And no, it's not just put a ClickBank link in your bio, these strategies actually work. Enough talking, let's go. So the first affiliate marketing strategy is what I call El Clásico with some hot sauce. And it's my favorite strategy because it's what I've been using and what has made me the most amount of money. I've used this strategy on TikTok and I'm still using it on this YouTube channel. For this strategy, you will be using one of 3 things: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or the affiliate of a product you've been using. On Amazon can be anything you want and it's mainly for physical products. ClickBank is the best for courses and any digital products you want to promote. And the third one are stuff you've been talking about. For example, I'm ExpressVPN's affiliate because I've been talking about it so much on this channel. Next step, if you're going for a digital product, you can choose 1 or 2 products you want to promote. But if you're going for a physical product, you have to choose at least 5, and I would personally recommend going for 10 to 20 products. Now step number 3 is how to find winning affiliate products to promote. If you're going for physical products, search for TikTok made me buy it. There you can find tons of ideas with a lot of products that you can sell, and then you go to Amazon and find the corresponding product. Then make a list of these products with the video links. Then I would suggest to buy these products in order to make videos. You can always re-edit and repost these videos, but in my opinion, making your own videos is always better. And a small tip I have for you is to make sure that these videos promoting the products have been uploaded in the last 30 days. This will multiply our success rate. And another small tip is to make sure that these products will be extremely useful and trending during the holidays. And if you choose ClickBank, make sure that the product you're going to choose has a good gravity score. And then go to TikTok and search for this specific product. And if there are videos that have been going viral in the last 30 days, then it's a perfect time to promote that product. And of course, like I said, you have to save those viral videos because they will be really important in the next step that we're going to talk about right now. So now it's time to start creating content. And the best way to increase your commissions and make the most amount of money is by organic traffic. Remember when I told you to make a list with the product and the viral videos? We're gonna use these videos and remodel them and make many versions of them and upload them to our page. This is by far the best strategy to use in order to grow the fastest way possible. Me and my students have been using this strategy, and I have side projects right now where I'm using this strategy, and the growth is exponential. You can even take the script of a viral video and ask ChatGPT to just paraphrase it using simple language. This is a keyword, simple language, really important. And the second very important tip is to make it funny, relatable, or include a wow factor. If you can do all these 3, you have a lottery ticket. But you should focus on one of these. Funny, you know what funny is. I'm not really good at it, so I haven't been using it. Relatable is pretty easy to do, but the wow factor is something more unique. The simplest way to explain this to you is to have layers in your video, meaning different elements inside your video and inside your story that will make the viewer go like, ah, oh, ooh. Third tip is to make sure that you use keywords in the caption and hashtags, in the title of the video, in the subtitles, in the text, everywhere. And the fourth one is to use the same video length as the viral video you're remodeling. It's okay if you go 3 seconds above or below, but generally I wouldn't suggest experimenting with this. In some cases it might work, but generally there is a reason that these videos went viral, and length is a very important reason, because there is watch time, which counts both seconds and how many times the viewer watched the video, depending on the length. And a few small extra tips. Number 1, if you're selling a lot of products, use a service like Linktree where you can put a lot of links. Number 2, you can also try stitches, which are really powerful. And number 3, really important, if you go viral, and I mean getting over 100k views on a video, then you should go live, because when you go live you have a deeper connection with the audience.
360 for a galaxy.
This way you will convert much more. So now let me show you the second affiliate marketing strategy on TikTok, which right now is trending. A lot of people, a lot of creators are doing it. So let me show you. Now this method has been going viral lately, and it is affiliate marketing strategy through the TikTok shop. I'm pretty sure you've seen people talking about some specific products and showcasing them very naturally, and above their caption there is a button which leads you to the product they are talking about, and it's being sold inside the TikTok shop. Well, this is the strategy you will be replicating, and it is highly profitable. So the first step is to sign up to the TikTok shop. It usually takes 1 to 2 days to get approved, and then you do the same research as in the previous strategy, and on the shop you should look for products that have over 800 sold. That way it's not too saturated and not too risky at the same time. Also make sure it has good reviews, which is really important. Make sure that there are videos that have gone viral about this product within these 30 days. And of course, you can try seasonal stuff like New Year's, for example. And a great advantage you have is that you can request samples. You can get your products for free as a creator, which gives you more possibilities for content and it hurts your wallet less. The rest is pretty much the same as in the previous step, the video creation, the research, everything, so you can go ahead and rewatch that part and take notes. This is only one of the many ways you can make money on TikTok and one of the many strategies you can use to go viral and grow organically. I've put together a whole ebook with everything I know and a case study on top of that, which you can replicate in order to make a living out of TikTok like I did, that's not to flex, and the way my students were able to do. And I have a special discount for you because you've watched till the end and I know you're serious about this. You can use the discount AF20, of course it stands for affiliate because of this video, and you can get 20% off, which is my Christmas gift to you. And I have more free products on my Gumroad if you want to check that out, which also count as a Christmas gift. Thank you and love you. Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, where you will learn how to go viral on TikTok even as a small creator. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.